Hello, good morning, student. Standard 9, Maths first, lesson number 3, polynomial. Then the point we studied last period, that is synthetic division method. All the examples from practice set 3.3 are completed, and the next point, that is value of polynomial. बहुपदीची किंमत, value of polynomial. So the examples given in textbook, solved examples, are on page number 47. Write it all clear. पान नंबर 47 वर सोडवून दिलेली उदाहरणं आहेत, ती सर्व ओळीने व्यवस्थित तुम्ही लिहा आणि त्यानंतर आपण त्याच स्वरूपातली उदाहरणं प्रॅक्टिस सेटमधून घेऊन ती सोडवणार आहोत. सो द एक्झाम्पल फ्रॉम प्रॅक्टिस सेट 3.4, सेट 3.4 and example 1. For x is equal to 0, find the value of polynomial. X is equal to 0, find the value of polynomial. Given x square minus 5x plus 5. डायरेक्ट उदाहरण घेऊनच आपण हा घटक अभ्यासणार आहोत. So given polynomial, that is px, give name to given polynomial, that is px, x square minus 5x and plus 5. So given polynomial, and we have to find value of this polynomial if its variable has a value 0. So put value of x, that is 0, in this equation or this polynomial and solve this. So put value of x is 0, so 0 square, 5 into 0 and plus 5. So putting these values, कधी यायचे रे?
5 तारीख सोमवारी
5 झाला. जरा फोटो मारला असता याचा. कीर्तनाने केली सही
केले, त्याने फोटो मारून घेतला.
ठीक आहे, मग ओके, मग वाचतो. सोमवारी किती वाजता आहे? सोमवारी 11 वाजता. हो,
ओके, येऊ.
ओके. So put value x is equal to 0 in given polynomial and then simplify this. Square of this, that is 0, multiply by 0 to 5, it is also 0, and only plus 5 is remaining. So value of given polynomial by using value of variable 0 is plus 5. Plus 5 is the value of given polynomial if value of variable is 0. So this is example number 1. Then example number 2. If py is the given polynomial y square minus 3 root 2 y plus 1, then find p value of polynomial py be the given polynomial and find value if variable of this polynomial is 3 root 2. So put y is equal to 3 root 2 in given polynomial. So given polynomial, first write 3 root 2 into y and plus 1. Put value of y 3 root 2. So p 3 root 2 y 3 root 2 square. Put value of y 3 root 2 minus 3 root 2 and value of this y, that is also 3 root 2 and remaining is plus 1, like this. So square of this 3 root 2 multiplied by 3 root 2, like this. It is square. So 3 into 3, that is 9, and root 2 into root 2, that is root 4, and square root of 4, that is 2. So square of this is 18. 3 root 2 square. So twice 3 into 3, 9, and product of this, that is root 4, and square root of 4, that is 2. So the 18 is square of this. Then minus also 3 into 3, 3 into 3, 9, root 2, that is root 4, and it is 2. So product of these two, that is also 18, and remaining is 1. याचा वर्ग बघा आणि हाच वर्ग या ठिकाणी आहे, त्यामुळे या दोघांची वजाबाकी होईल. So by simplifying we get value of given polynomial, that is plus 1. In this way, this is example number 2 from practice set. Then example number 3. If Pm polynomial m is equal to m cube 2n square minus m plus 10, then P A, find value of PA and value of P minus A and add both. So the question is, हा प्रश्न काय आहे बघा, PM ही बहुपदी दिली, या बहुपदीत हे जे चल आहे m, त्याची A ही किंमत घालून किंमत काढा आणि वजा a अशी किंमत घालून किंमत काढा आणि मग त्या दोघांची बेरीज करा. थोडक्यात या ठिकाणी दिलेल्या बहुपदीच्या दोन किमती काढायच्या आहेत. जे चल आहे m, त्या m ची किंमत एकदा a आणि एकदा वजा a घ्यायची आहे. and therefore first write given polynomial, then find value of PA a cube 2a square minus a, like this. m हे जे चल आहे त्याच्या ऐवजी a ही चल वापरलंय, म्हणजे ही पहिली किंमत याची किंमत झाली. त्याच पद्धतीने P मायनस ए, या m ची किंमत मायनस ए घातल्यानंतर काय येईल ते पाहायचं. तो मायनस ए क्यूब प्लस 2 इंटू मायनस ए स्क्वेअर मायनस मायनस ए and plus 10. So put value of m, that is minus a. So minus a cube plus 2 minus a square minus and minus a. So it is. Then simplify cube of this negative sign, that is minus a cube. Minus a into minus a into minus a. So product is plus a square and then plus minus, that is minus a square into a, that is a minus a cube. Then square of this minus a square, that is plus a. So 2 into plus a square वजा a चा वर्ग अधिक a. And then minus minus plus a and plus 10. In this way, value of given polynomial using m is equal to minus a is this. So p minus a. Then you have to calculate addition of these both values. So pa plus p minus a. So value of PA is a cube 2a square minus a plus 10, and value of minus a, that is minus a cube plus 2a square plus a plus 10. So addition of these two, and then by simplifying, a cube minus a cube gone, 2a square, that is 4a square addition, then minus a plus a also gone, and remaining is plus 10, that is plus 20. So this is the answer of given question. In this way we complete example number 3 from practice set 3.4. And then example number 4, last example from this set, example number 4. If py is equal to 2y cube minus 6y square minus 5y and plus 7, then find P2. Value of polynomial if variable is 2. We have to calculate the same example. We have to solve same example putting value of variable is 2. So py be the given polynomial, p2, put value of y 2. So therefore p2 is equal to 2 into 2 cube 6 into 2 square 2 plus 7, like this. So 2 into cube of 2, that is 8, minus 6 into square of 2, that is 4, minus 10 and plus 7. So 16 minus 24 minus 10 plus 7. So addition and subtract this, that is minus 34 and plus 23 minus 34 and plus 23. So 1 1 and sign of minus 1. So it is minus 11. P2, value of given polynomial if we use value of variable 2. बहुपदीतील चलाची किंमत 2 घातल्यानंतर बहुपदीची येणारी किंमत ही आहे. तर अशा प्रकारे यातली उदाहरणं आपण पूर्ण केलीत. 4ही उदाहरणं तुम्ही पुन्हा एकदा ती उदाहरणं अभ्यासा आणि उद्या आपण त्याच्या पुढील रिमाइंडर थेरम याचा अभ्यास करणार आहोत. आपण या ठिकाणी थांबूयात. धन्यवाद.